Is mise Áine Ní Ghlinn an gceol Laureate na Nóg. Before I begin, I want to thank the Arts Council and Children's Books Ireland for the great honour of naming me as the 6th Laureate na Nóg. 5 very big sets of shoes ahead of me to fill, but also 5 shining stars to light the way. I write in Irish or Gaeilge, and I believe that every child should have access to reading in his or her own language, because books open a window on a culture and books make things better. Gach ile rod sa chóir sleamháin, gach breagán dianta, gach mála lán. Daddy na nullag ag ticáil lena fián, ag seicáil an lista, an bhfuil gach rod ann. Má bhíos chun cuid éigean den chlóca do eicechta a ordú, hastig bhaim teacht ar bhealach, le go gcuirfí cuid den na leabhar úntacha atá ann isteach I lámha na báistí. Mar a dúirt me hastig bhaim díriú ar an gcuine den domhan a díaltaingse a athruú. Nuair atá mar phréimhse istigh, ba bhhaile me cheappa nach néanfar de rúd ar an mosca leabharlanna. Ach go gcuirfar leis an leabharlann bheag seo ó bhliain go bliain. Agus go leanfar a raig ag teacht ar bhealaí nua le daoine óga a spreaga chun níos mó pléisiúr a bhaint as léthireacht na Gaeilge. Would you help me in my role as Laureate na Nóg to lift one corner of that invisibility cloak, to pull the helm of Hades away from children's literature as Gaeilge? Give our young people the joy of reading as Gaeilge as well as as Béarla. Throw that window on our culture open wide. Support our bookshops. Support our young readers. Bíoch deisiacha, leabhar a léamh as Gaeilge, mar phléisiúr seachas díreach mar obair scala. Gur míle maith agaibh.